today is a special day for you. Happy birthday to you. Very happy again. Once again, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Krishna. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I'm so lucky to have a mama like you. You are an inspiration to me. Have a great day. Thank you.
Hi Krishna, happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. I consider myself the luckiest person on earth to be blessed with a brother like you. Always be my best friend and always help me in every way. Thank you so much for your love and support you have always given me. And on your special day, I wish you many more happiness and prosperity and luck. Good luck. Have a great day, Krishna. Have a great day.
Hi Krishna, many many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you great health, wealth, and prosperity. I hope that each day of your life brings you sweet memories and your heart filled with warmth and happiness. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. May God grant you all that you need today and always. Enjoy and have a wonderful day. Take care.
Hi Krishna.
Hi Krishna, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Krishna. Have fun.
Many happy returns of the day.
Hi Sirisha. Hi. Hello to the
Have
kids.
fun. Have
Hello to the
blast.
kids. Have fun. Bye. Take care. Okay.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Krishna. In the past 50 years, we have seen you face many challenges in career, in financially, health-wise, and come up trumps. And you set an example to all of us the way you lead the family life as a loving husband, as a caring father, as a beautiful son, and a very nice friend to many and all of us, including a lot of relatives. I think you set an example to all of us, and you continue to live this way and enjoy your rest 50 years of life. We want you to lead a very happy, healthy, and wonderful life in the coming 50 years.
Many happy returns of the day, Krishna. Though we won't be there personally, but our wishes are always with you, and I am very happy to know you. And we could interact with you personally at least few times, and it's been a great pleasure whenever we could meet, because you are such a straightforward and frank person, and very kind and helpful, and always thinking well for others. And it has been great time, and it's a pleasure to know you, and I really appreciate you, and I just love जब भी तुम ऐसे दीदी दीदी करते मेरे साथ बात करते हो और इतने अच्छे से शेयर करते हो, तो कभी ऐसे नहीं लगता है कि मेरे मतलब असली भाई नहीं है. तो आई रियली फील नाइस, एंड इट्स सो नाइस टू नो यू, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव यू as my cousin through Srinivas, and of course Aparna and Sirisha and your children, and Bilai Pindi garu, Babai garu are all very blessed to have a person like you among them, and as so much as we are. And please continue to be like this, because your goodness, your heart, your good heart always comes through in whatever you do, and we can all feel it, and we like it, and it's a rare quality. Please keep it up, and have a great time. Enjoy your life. Bye.
Hello Krishna, so wish you a very happy birthday. It's your golden birthday, so congratulations, and wish you all the very best. In fact, I am reminded that we never had a chance to meet each other since you are 25 to 30-year-old, but thanks to the affectionate and friendly nature of your daddy, whenever he was coming to Mumbai, he used to visit us and spend time with us. Then subsequently I met you in Hyderabad. Then you came out to Mumbai, stayed in Mumbai for some time. That's where you became very close to us. You, with your friendly nature, you maintained that relationship and continued it even after going to UK, USA. So I'm glad you maintained it. Very nice of you, very sweet of you. So I wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. You decided to come back for parents' sake. However, you decided to, not you decided, I think it's God's decision to take you back to UK, where I am sure you must be feeling very good with staying with the family. I take this opportunity out.
Hi Krishna, it's your golden birthday. I just wish that all your dreams should come true. Be healthy, stay safe, be happy. Wishing you again a very happy golden birthday. Enjoy it to fullest. Bye.
Hi Krishna, wish you a very happy golden birthday. So finally the youngest kid has also turned a golden boy. Although you know that I did not know you in school, but you are one of the first few that I met after a long time when you had come to visit us in London, and we have always been in touch after that, and it is so nice to know that you also lived in the same neighborhood in London that I did, and Henceforth, we have been in touch. Enjoy life. Have a great day. Hope all that you're wishing for comes true for you and life becomes easy, smooth sailing for you from now on. And have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.
Hey Krishna, wish you a very, very happy golden birthday. Happy golden birthday, dear. So from Calcutta, Shushmita and Joyita wishing you very happy birthday once again. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay tuned, and enjoy your birthday to the fullest. Bye. Bye bye.
हाय कृष्णा, विशिंग ए वेरी हैप्पी गोल्डन बर्थडे. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. यू हैपन्स टू बी द यंगेस्ट वन एंड द लास्ट वन टू गो 50 एंड मुझे ऐसा बताया गया. तो नहीं सोचा था तो इतना छोटा है, बट पता नहीं, सब मिलने का तो प्लान था, कभी हुआ नहीं. 50 ईयर्स सबका कंप्लीट हो चुका है. सो माई बेस्ट विशेस टू यू and stay happy, healthy forever. God bless you, my friend. Take care.
Happy birthday to you, Krishna. May you be blessed with eternal happiness. Enjoy your blissful day. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.
Hi Krishna, happy golden birthday. Many congratulations to you on this milestone birthday of yours, and welcome to the club of 50s. The youngest member of Go2 group, isn't it? But shall I tell you one thing? You don't look 50 at all. You still can go for maybe 40s, early 40s. So Krishna, wishing you lots of happiness, good health, peace and prosperity in the years to come. Krishna, haven't known you during the school days, but have come to know of you through O2 and have found you as a very warm, friendly and a helpful person. And the most commendable thing that I remember when I think of you is you are an environmental conservationist, and the way you have done work for the lake restoration in Hyderabad, it's really appreciable. I know you have been doing many good things for the society, so keep doing the good things. I'm sure Shirisha and your children would have planned something special for your 50th birthday, so enjoy the day with them and enjoy the wishes from all the friends. Have a wonderful day today and wishing you a blessed year ahead, and definitely would like to meet you when we cross each other's part of the world. So happy golden birthday once again, Krishna.
Krishna, happy birthday. Have a very nice happy birthday with your family. Enjoy. And I don't know where you are, because you are all the time. When I think you are in Mumbai, you are in Bangalore. When I think you are in Bangalore, you are in US. When I think you are in US, you are somewhere else. When I think you are somewhere else, you are at Mumbai. So we met only twice briefly and couldn't talk much because both were busy. So let us meet again when you come, and have a very long, healthy, fruitful, happy life. Enjoy. Send lots of photos.
Hi Krishna, wish you a very very happy 50th birthday, golden birthday. Welcome to the gang. Gang to pura ho gaya. You are the last one to enter it. Anyways, welcome to the gang. Have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy. Have a wonderful time with your family and friends. Have a fabulous birthday. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy birthday.
Hi Krishna, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Hope you have lots of fun with your family and friends on this special occasion. I hope you have planned something special to celebrate your birthday. So wishing you lots of love, happiness and good health in the years to come. I hope to catch up with you sometime next year in London, if things are okay here and also in London. So cheers Have a great day and happy birthday once again. Bye, Krishna.
Happy birthday, Krishna. Welcome to the 50s Club. Enjoy your day. Have a great year ahead. Enjoy with your family and friends, and may you be blessed always.
Hi Krishna, wish you a very happy golden birthday. Krishna, I haven't met you personally, but we spoke on phone, we interacted on email through emails and through WhatsApp, and I'm so happy the work you were doing when you were in India. So we enjoy each other's work, and we could learn what we are doing and what you are doing, and please keep the good work continued, and I wish you all the happiness, all the best wishes to you. Enjoy your day, have a wonderful year ahead. See you soon.
Hello Krishna, wishing you a very happy and wonderful 50th birthday, and wishing you also that you're always surrounded with your family and your loved ones, always. Once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, welcome Krishna to Club Next. Wishing you loads of health, wealth, happiness, and long life. So, you're the youngest of the lot. No more 50th year celebration in O2. I keep following you on Facebook on the various philanthropy and social work which you have been doing in Hyderabad. Keep up the good work. Be the good man to the society. I remember last time when you were in Chennai, we were supposed to meet, but then I think your appointments got delayed and you had to rush back to the airport. Uske baad Corona, then you getting held up in Malaysia, then now in UK. When the borders open, please do come to my part of the land. We will surely meet up, or even if I'm coming towards Hyderabad, we will surely meet up. Once again, keep up the noble work which you've been doing and contributing to the society. Thanks.
Happy birthday, KK! Hi, Krishna. Wishing you a very happy birthday, golden happy birthday, and best wishes for the second innings, both from me and Raj.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Hi Krishna, happy birthday to you, and here sending you hugs and smiles and loads of good wishes on this special day. And of course it's a very cliched sentence, youngest in the batch, but yes, so glad to see you joining so-called the club, and hopefully and wishing you about the same thing, that the coming years bring you much more, all your wishes are manifested, and there's a lot of happiness, laughter, friendship, and family, of course. So wishing you a happy birthday. Wonderful time ahead.
Hi Krishna, welcome to the 50s Club. You're the youngest member of the Oxygen family to join the club, and wishing you a very happy golden birthday. Keep smiling, keep rocking, and keep inspiring with the good things that you do. You take up some very good environment friendly projects, and I'm sure that you keep on doing well in your life. Have a fantastic year ahead. Enjoy the time.
Krishna,
Bye.
wish you a very happy milestone birthday. 50th birthday, golden birthday, needs a great grand celebration. Every day is to be celebrated. We should be thankful for each day. But 50th is special. Special in every sense. Special because Second innings means we have played well the first innings, and entering into the second innings with the hope, with the belief that it will be all the more beautiful and peaceful in every sense. So I wish you all the very best for the years to come. May this second innings be full of happy, cherishable moments, full of peace and prosperity, and most importantly, a healthy life. God bless you, Krishna, on your special day. Celebrate with your family. Do post the pictures. It gives a feeling that we all are celebrating together. So pictures are always awaited. Once again, a very happy birthday. God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy and happy. Cheers. Bye-bye.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का। ये मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, करेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों